Hello guys and welcome to Learn Tech Press. My name is Philip, and if you are new into this channel, please remember to subscribe, like and share. So in this video I'll be showing you how to get started with Node.js, and how to deploy on cPanel. So first thing, make sure you have installed Node on your machine, and then create a folder like this. This is Node.js. So after you create a folder, now you can just go to your VS Code. I've already installed it here, or just um, on your VS Code here you can write your vast code, yeah like this. This is a very simple code using Node just to print hello world. Okay, now we can try to run this code. Let's run this code. Let's go to our new terminal here, and then at this point we can just go navigate to our folder, that is server, and then try to run node index.js. Okay, now it will tell us now your server is running on port 3000. Okay, so if you go to your browser, and then at this point now you type now localhost 3000, it will display this hello world. Okay, now this is it. Now the next thing that you need to do to deploy, now let's go to our cPanel. Make sure you have a hosting and also a domain. So go to your cPanel, and also make sure that the hosting that you're using, it is support now Node applications. Okay, so at this point now you can either use your domain, or either you can just create a subdomain. Just go to domains and create a subdomain here. You can just create a subdomain at this point. Just create a new, and then can create a domain here or a subdomain. Yeah, just create a subdomain there. So I've already created. I will not create another one. Let me go here to my file manager. You can just go here and then go to files and then file manager. Okay, so at this point now you'll notice that there is this subdomain here that I've created already. Is called nodeapp.sakazidevs.com. Yeah, just click on that, it will open this. So at this point you need to go to navigate where you have your application, that is on desktop, and then node, and then server. Then at this point you can select all files, but don't select node modules. Okay, yeah, just select all files and don't select node modules. At this point, yeah, you can compress them to be as a zip file. Then go back to your file manager and then click on uh, upload. Then select, go to your this is it now. Okay, server, then package zip. Upload the zip file here, then you can go here and then extractor. Just extract it here. After you extract, you can just delete this zip file because you do not need it anymore. You just delete this. Now after that, you'll go to your tools, then scroll down where you see now software. Here at this point now, go to where you have set up for Node.js app. Click on that. It will take you here. You'll notice that there are several other applications that are running for Node. Yeah, you can click on create. Then at this point you can choose a version. Then now, let's say for instance you choose that. Change this one to production. So at this point now, this is the application routes now. It is a VSCO address to your application on our server. Yeah, that corresponds with the URI. Upload your where you have uploaded your application files. Okay, so let's type it. It is not app. Yeah, sakazidevs.com. And so this is now the subdomain that we created initially. So at this point now, just choose it. Where is it? This is it, node app. Okay. Yeah. Then at this point, I just write the starter file now. If you go here, you'll notice that it is index.js. So at this point, type now the index.js, and then we just click on create. Now after you've created, now it will tell you that there are some configuration files that have been detected because of this file, package.json. So at this point now, you can just click on npm install. So it will take some time. So it will tell you that npm install completed. Yeah. Then after this, if you go back to your file manager and try to reload, notice that node modules folder has been created at this point. Now let's try to run this or check this application on live server. Now we just go here and then click on type that subdomain, and so the same thing is printed now on live server. Hello world. That's how you can deploy your Node.js on cPanel. If you have variables on your application, you can just click on this where you see now uh, variables. You can add on variables. Let's say, for instance, you have database name, yeah, the password, the email, the password, and all that. Yeah, other variables that you have used on your application, you can just add them here. Yeah, with that you'll have deployed now your Node application. Yeah, so thank you. Yeah, so the next video I'll be sharing on how you can do now uh, the full deployment now on cPanel. That is React, Node, MySQL, and also build a very small project on that. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.